In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. Now, a lot of people are using CJ Dropshipping to dropship on Shopify because of a lot of reasons, including like fast shipping, and the cost of the products are very low compared to other e-commerce websites like AliExpress or Amazon. Most people, they don't dropship from Amazon because of the prices, and also like most of sellers from Amazon, they are just buying the large quantities from Alibaba. So that's why the prices on Amazon are very high compared to AliExpress and Alibaba and CJ Dropshipping. Now today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start using CJ Dropshipping on Shopify, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can start this business. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to create a Shopify store if you haven't done that already. And then you want to go to cg.com. As you can see, just search for CJ Dropshipping. Let me check. Yeah, cgdropshipping.com, as you can see here. Now after that, you need to click on register if you haven't created an account. If you already have an account, you want to click on sign in. So for me, I don't have an account. I just created this new account. I'm going to create it right now. And also the Shopify store is new, so I'm not using my old accounts. I want to show you guys how you can do this yourself. So you just need to create an account on CJ. I'm going to use my Google account. As you can see, I'm going to, yeah, that's it. Now I have successfully created a CJ Dropshipping account. As you can see, I created CJ Dropshipping account. Now what you need to do, guys, now is to connect CJ to Shopify. Now to connect CJ to Shopify is very easy. You just need to click on authorization in the top left of CJ. You can see here authorization, click on Shopify. Now after, guys, you click on Shopify, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click on add store. Okay, as you can see, two different options will come up here: transfer record and add store. So you want to click on add store, as you can see here. So I don't know why it's loading. It's taking more time that it takes usually. So I'm just going to, yeah, as you can see, you want to click this X, you want to ignore this and click on add store, and then click on authorize. So after, guys, you click on authorize, it will take you directly to Shopify App Store so that you can download a CJ Dropshipping app, which is the official app of CJ. As you can see, it took you directly, guys. It will take you directly to this Shopify App Store section here. This new page, it's going to be App Store, as you can see in the top left. You want to click on install. Now after, guys, you click on install, you just need to wait, and you want to then click on install in the top right. It will ask you guys to install the app. As you can see, it says install app in the top right. So you can see my Shopify to CJ Dropshipping. Now the reason why you need to connect CJ to Shopify is because when you connect CJ to Shopify, then like whenever someone places an order on your Shopify store, CJ will be able to have the address of the customer so that they can send the order automatically to the customer. So you don't even have to do anything after you get a sale. So you need to click on authorize. As you can see, click confirm, click again authorize. Now make sure it says here authorization success. If it doesn't say this, that means you haven't connected CJ to Shopify successfully. Now after it says this, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to click on list now. So after, guys, you click on list now, as you can see, I'm just going to reload this page. Like I said, guys, after it says here we have successfully authorization success, you want to click on list now, and now you can find products that you are going to sell inside your Shopify store. It's very easy. You just need to find products that people are interested in. If you don't know, guys, what products to list on your Shopify store, then I would suggest going to Facebook and seeing what people are interested in. You want to download an extension on your Google Chrome that displays only ads on Facebook. So that's why you can see which products are trending, and you can then search for these specific products on CJ, and you can list them on inside your Shopify store. Now you can find any product. For example, this outfit, you can just list this exact outfit on inside your Shopify store. I don't know why the Wi-Fi is very slow. Okay, so as you can see here guys, you can find any product. Like I said, just need to click on the product, and then you want to scroll down and you want to click on list it. As you can see, list. Going to reload the page again. There's a problem with the connection, I believe, so I'm going to change this to so that's exactly what you need, guys. You just need to yeah, I'm just going to disconnect and connect the Wi-Fi. I don't know why this problem. Alright, now it seems like it's working now. Yeah, as you can see guys, after you click on the product that you want to list, you want to click on list, as you can see at the bottom, and then here you want to enter here the store name. If it's not entered automatically, you just need to enter your store name. As you can see, it's automatically entered. And now if you want to charge tax, you can click here, but I don't recommend it. Just leave it like it is. And ship my order to most, you want to select United States, because most people that are going to buy your products, they are going to be from United States most of the time. And make sure you select CG packet sensitive Pro. This one is much like it's faster, or you can just select CG packet sensitive from 8 days to 15 days. Usually 8 days. This arrives at 8 days. Now the product type, you want to click add new, and then you want to click, for example, test or whatever. Click confirm here, where it says vendor, you want to add tests. It doesn't really matter. And here the price. Now here, as you can see, it says here the price of the product. So the total dropshipping cost of this item is $31. So this means each time you sell this item inside your Shopify store, CG will take $31 of the sale, or of the money that you receive. Now you need to increase this price a little bit, especially if you are running ads on Facebook or TikTok. So you need to increase it, for example, to $55.99. And also each different variations have different different prices. You can see 24. This one is 24. So the L size is 24 to 25. I'm sorry. So you need to increase it to, for example, 44, 30, 23. Okay, 23. I would say 40, like 43. And also you can do this like manually for each one, or if you have like the same price for different variations, you just need to add here, for example, $40, and then click OK, and it's going to be added to all the different variations. Now you want to click on list it now, and after guys you click on list it now, you will find this product, this specific product. You will find it inside your Shopify store. So if you go now to your products, you will find this exact product inside your Shopify. As you can see, this is the product. I'm going to open it for you guys. As you can see, this is the product, and each people, if someone buys this product, then CG will ship the product automatically. Okay, if it doesn't ship the product automatically, make sure you leave a comment below, and I will tell you guys what to do. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.